What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Husqvarna string trimmer, and the problem is it won't start. Let's try to find out what went wrong with it. In a previous video that I'll link in the description, we confirmed that it had lower than ideal compression, and of course it would not start. The compression ended up being about 40 psi, which isn't enough to run, but there's enough resistance to fool you into thinking that there's nothing wrong with it. In this video, we're going to inspect the piston for damage by removing the muffler and taking a look inside the engine. Let's start by removing this one bolt at the bottom of this guard over the muffler. Next, remove the two Allen bolts and the muffler should come right off. And while we're doing this, take a look at how new this muffler looks. This trimmer wasn't used very much before it stopped working. If we see damage to the piston and the rings, then we'll need to buy a rebuild kit. But if there is no damage, then we'll have to look elsewhere for the problem. And we finally have our answer. It's pretty obvious that there's a fair amount of damage to both rings and the piston. Hopefully the next time you see this trimmer, we'll have the rebuild kit and we'll go ahead and install it and get it ready for next season. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.